Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick overview of the AliDropship High-Ticket Dropshipping store. Now this is a dropshipping store that gives you access to high-ticket products that you can sell and make a single profit of over $3,000 from one product sale. Now, unlike the normal dropshipping business model where you import product from AliExpress or other dropshipping supplier that gives you the profit margin of around $50 to $100. Now, when you are selling high-ticket dropshipping products, now you can make a single profit of over $3,000 from just single sale. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about the AliDropship platform, how easy it is for you to get started with this high-ticket dropshipping product, and what is going to cost you to set one up. So for those that don't know AliDropship is an all-in-one dropshipping platform that gives you access to WordPress dropshipping. So when it comes to WordPress, the only fee you have to pay is the hosting and the domain name of the store you are trying to create. So AliDropship, they are WordPress lover, and they give you access to everything you need to successfully launch a dropshipping store on WordPress. So among other things they have is their WordPress dropshipping plugin. Now this is a dropshipping plugin that gives you access to create your own dropshipping website on WordPress and also link your dropshipping website with AliExpress. So if you create your dropshipping store with their WordPress plugin, it's going to automatically integrate your store with AliExpress, so you'll be able to import product directly from AliExpress to your store. So they also have the WooCommerce dropshipping plugin that you can also use to do the same thing. So among other things they have is the premium domain base they have. So here you can go through some of their premium domain, which is expensive. So for those that love premium domain, they also have this service where you can come over to their website, buy from their premium domain. So they also have several themes that you can use for your dropshipping store. So as you can see, they have WooCommerce themes, they have the normal AliDropship original themes, and they have Woo themes for WooCommerce plugin. So you can just scroll through here and see all of the themes they have here. So they have free themes and they also have paid themes. So how does the AliDropship high-ticket dropshipping store work? So this is basically more like a service from the AliDropship team. So what they do is they help you set up the dropshipping website, they help you create the store, and once they've created the store, they add this high-ticket product to your store, and once everything is ready, they give you access to the store so you can start promoting it. So the only thing you have to do once you make payment is to start promoting the dropshipping product or the high-ticket product on your dropshipping website. So let's take a look at some of the product, or what the product looks like, and how the profit margin for this product is going to look like. All right, so these are some of the products you're actually going to be selling on the website. So for example, look at this product. Now this is a luxury king bed, and the supplier price for this product is $1,550. So the retail price for this is going to be $3,049. So your profit for this bed, so whenever you make a profit for this bed, your profit is going to be $1,499. Now, and the best part is most of this product are what you can actually promote using organic traffic. So you don't have to spend lots of money on adverts you're trying to promote this product. Now you could set up a content on your website that target these kinds of keyword, then you monetize the product, which is the bed, with the content you have on your dropshipping website. Now let's take a look at the profit and see what you can actually be making on a monthly basis if you are keen on promoting this product. So your profit for this is around 1,500. So let's just multiply 1,500 multiply by 20. So let's assume you are making 20 sales in a month. So your profit every month is going to be $30,000 from this unique product. So if you want to promote the product using the ads method, whereby you make whereby you go over to Facebook, TikTok and the like, now your chances of making more is going to increase. Yeah, so let's take a look at other products they have. So another one here is the luxury bubble cloud sofa. So the supplier price for this is $950, and you can actually sell this product on your website for $2,199. So this is around $2,200. So your profit on one sale for this product is going to be $1,249. So let's look at another one here. So we have another one, which is the art decor chandelier. So the supplier price for this product is $500, and you can sell it for $2,294. So your profit on this is going to be $1,794. So these are just a glimpse of what the product you're going to be having on your high-ticket dropshipping product is going to look like. So what is it going to cost you to have one of these high-ticket dropshipping stuff? So they have 3 basic plans. So they have the basic plan, which is $290. Now this is a one-time fee, yeah, and they have another plan which is $490, and they have the last plan, which is the ultimate plan, and this is going to cost you $890. Now, like I said, this is a one-time fee. So once you make payment for this store, you have access to all of the store. All right, so this is what is included in all of the packages. So the first one comes with high margin product, which is the high ticket product. So the first one, you're going to gain access to 50 high ticket products, and the advanced package is going to give you access to 100 high ticket products, and the last one is going to give you access to 200 high ticket product. So it also comes with unique promo article. So once your website is set up, they also give you access to 10 promotional article you're going to be publishing on your website, whereby you could also leverage on SEO and organic traffic to gain traffic to your dropshipping store. So they also do profit oriented keyword for you. So the first one is 10, the second package is 20, and the last package is 30. So once you've made payments, it's going to take them 5 business days for them to deliver the package for you. Now this is for the basic plan. So when you subscribe for the basic plan, it's going to take them 5 business days for them to set up the store from scratch, add the product to the store, then deliver the product or deliver the dropshipping store to you. So if you go for the second plan, it's going to take them 6 days, and the last package is going to take them 7 days for them to deliver the package to you. So the first one doesn't come with Amazon product. So the second package comes with 50 products that you can sell on your Amazon seller account, and the last package here, which is the ultimate package, comes with 100 products you could also sell on your Amazon seller account. All right, so this is basically how you can get the AliDropship high-ticket dropshipping store, set it up, and start promoting to make huge profit. All right, so what are your thoughts on this AliDropship high-ticket dropshipping store? So if you have any thought, any suggestion about this store, or you have any question about this high-ticket dropshipping store, I want you to head over to the comment section, drop a comment there, and let me know what you think. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.